everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today's video I'm going to discuss 4 best ways to improve your English language skill in 2020. In my last video I discussed about the speaking skills and I discussed about the wonderful application with whom you can independently practice it with. So for that I share the link in the top. You can go and check it out. Today's video I'm going to discuss how you improve your English overall, like how you can improve your reading, listening, speaking and writing skills. All the 4 skills we are going to discuss today. See, I'm not an English teacher or a professional who's going to guide you in that way, but what I'm going to share the tips which genuinely helped me a lot when I was trying to improve my language skills proactively 5 years back. Even though I'm improving now, I'm not perfect, I'm not up to that grammatical level, but I'm going to share which the tips which help me a lot and definitely are going to help you a lot. For that, let's start the video. Before going to start about the tips, I want to share one personal thing. See, English is a language. It will take time. Gradually it will improve. It's not going to happen in one day, one night or in 1 week. It will improve step by step with the gradually with a period of 1 year, 2 year, maybe 5 years. You keep on improving. There's no end of learning. So just don't keep hope. And the other thing is, don't keep in mind that you don't know English, then you don't know anything, you don't have a good knowledge. English is just our language and it's not a criteria to judge your knowledge or to judge your capability. So for those people who really think like English, if that person doesn't know English, then he doesn't know anything. So really sorry, I don't agree with your thought. Tip number 1 is watch movies. Watch English movies, in fact. See, we all love to watch movies, and especially in this pandemic situation, from March, we all are inside and staying inside at home, and most of the time we are spending watching movies on Netflix, Amazon Prime, on different platforms. So let's use this time, let's use your entertainment time in learning a language. Yes, what you need to do, you just need to write down a list of movies which you really like according to your interest. It can be action, horror, romantic or any kind of movie. Just write down a list and try to watch them one by one. But during preparation of the list, you need to keep 3 things in the mind. The first one is, choose a movie according to your interest. Don't go beyond your interest, because once you are interested and once you are really into that movie, you really love watching it, you will spend hours with that. Otherwise, if it's away from your interest, then definitely you stop watching it after a few minutes. So just choose a movie of your interest. The second one is, choose a movie with subtitles, because the movies, the actors and the performers, they all are the native speakers and they are going to speak really fast. Sometimes even we miss what they're speaking, some words and all. So with the help of subtitles, we are really going to learn what they are speaking. What you can do, what I used to do, that when you watch the movie, just try to read the subtitles and try to understand in that way. And the third tip is, you need to consider when you watch a movie, then there are some phrases or some dialogues they keep on repeating during that movie. So what you need to do, just write down those phrases. When you see any dialogue, when you see any good line they are speaking, just pause the movie, write it down on the diary, and once you finish the movie, after that you're just trying to repeat those phrases in front of the mirror. Other than that, if you can, just try to inculcate those lines, those dialogues in your daily life, your routine conversation. Believe me, it worked really good for me. I have a big size notebook which I keep on writing even now when I heard any good line or a dialogue or a word even which I can utilize in my conversation, which will improve a standard of your vocabulary. So do that. The next way by which you can learn English by reading books. Yes, honestly speaking, reading books is the most boring way to learn any language, and this is the most popular way when you ask anybody that I want to learn English, they will say start reading books. Actually, books are not only the treasure of knowledge, but they are also a treasure to learn how the words are going to frame with the sentences, how you frame a good sentence. I'm not speaking that, I'm not saying that you start reading a big side, novel or any like boring literature books, but start reading with the small, thin comic book, story book, or you can start with the joke book, whatever you like. Just take a small, thin book from any general store and start reading with that, maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, as long as you can. It's not like you have to start reading for hours. Just start with 2 or 5 minutes. The main thing is interest. Until it will not come from your heart that you really want to learn, you can't learn. So don't sit with the heavy books with a like half-hearted mind, or just sit with a comic book or any character book, very thin one, very small one, which psychologically support you, and start reading it 5 minutes a day, and eventually and gradually you feel like it will be a part of your lifestyle. You start loving it, you start love to read, and once it become your habit, then you come to the heavy and literature, any novel and any kind of book which you like. Believe me, within 2 or 3 months, within this period, you will feel a lot of change in your conversation, because you are really during when we are reading the books, you really see how people are conversating, how they really framing the sentences, which we really miss if we are not living in a English speaking environment, when the people around us are not speaking. Books are the only way you can learn. You can practically get the knowledge of how the sentence should be framed. The next one is the most amazing way to learn English. Start listening to English music. When you really wants to understand what is happening in that particular song, and you listen to that song again and again, and you encounter many new words, and you try to memorize them because you really want to sing that lyrics with that tune. So believe me, you slowly and eventually learn many words without the knowledge. It's simple as like that. When a 1 or 2 year child started looking towards the environment, when the people are the family member around him or her started speaking the mother tongue language, and just looking towards their mouth and try to grab, and eventually he started speaking the same language without any knowledge, because this is a human behavior, this is a psychological behavior, that you keep on listening to those words, and your brain memorize them eventually, and you started speaking them in your daily and your regular routine. So start listening to English music from today, and let me know which kind of music you love when you started today. The last one is start writing. This is the most effective way to learn any language, because by writing, you can check, you can judge yourself how good you are in this writing, like how you frame the sentence, because we are listening to many sentences in our daily routine, so your mind is trained accordingly. You can figure out there's something wrong in the sentence, any grammar. Okay, you do one thing, I'll give you one task. For that, you need to write at least 3 to 4 lines in the comment box about yourself, about any topic you want to share with me, or about the video, about me, you want to ask anything. Just write it down in the comment box, 3 to 4 lines, and believe me, I'm going to read every comment and I'm going to reply for that. So just pause the video and do that. Now let's come to the regular writing. See, what you have to do before going to bed, just make it a habit. Take any small diary or a notebook, and one page, only a small page, will take hardly 4 to 5 minutes. start writing about your daily routine or maybe any topic which you want to keep in mind for long. Okay, this is today the birthday of that person or that the child born on that day, or maybe today is the day you achieve something. So just write it down in your journal, and you see, like, after a period of time, you can see, compare your first page and the current page you are writing now. You can yourself judge a difference because you are listening to music, you are like, watching the movies, you are reading the books, and now you are writing also. You are truly implementing it, because when I was saying you read and you try to use those words in your daily life, but you'll say, miss, we don't have like, any word, anyone around us with whom we can practice. Okay, start writing it, and then you can judge yourself by eventually how you are improving with that. You are using those words which you really learned during those exercises, and now you are going to implement them in the sentence. So start writing that. So that's all about today's video. Don't forget about the task. Just write down 3 to 4 lines in the comment box for me, and I'm going to read that for you. Okay, so stay healthy, stay safe, stay inside, and grow in your career. On that note, thank you. Bye bye.